Hello friends, welcome to Pritha's Cooking House. My today's video is one requested video, and this recipe was requested by one of my very close friend. He is from Delhi and he is non-Bengali. So he requested me this recipe and he also requested me to continue this video with English language. So I am continuing this video with English language. So let's see what are the ingredients we need for KFC style fried chicken. Before that, I would like to request you all to subscribe my channel and to watch the full video and like, comment and share the video with your friends and family. So let's see what are the ingredients we required. First of all, we need chicken. I have taken 150 grams of chicken here and 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, half cup curd and salt as per taste, and half teaspoon of red chili powder, ginger garlic paste. These are the things we required for marinating the chickens. So see, here I have taken 150 grams of chicken. Then here is 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Here is 2 tablespoons soya sauce. Here is salt and red chili powder as per taste. Here is some water and here is dahi. So at first what we need to do is we need to take the dahi into the mixing bowl. I have taken around half cup of dahi or curd. Then I will start beating the dahi very well. After beating it, I will add salt and red chili powder as per taste, and again I will start mixing it. Then I will add garlic paste and ginger paste in the mixture, and again I will give it a good mix. Then I will add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce into the mixture, and again I will start mixing it very well. Then I will add 1/4 cup of water. The water is in room temperature, and again I will start mixing it well. After mixing all the ingredients very well, I will put all the chicken pieces into this mixture. Now I will put the bowl into the normal refrigerator and will marinate it for minimum 2 hours, and if you have enough time then you can marinate it for 4 to 5 hours also. I have kept it for 4 hours. After 4 hours, see, these are the ingredients I have taken for the coating of the chicken. I have taken here 4 to 5 tablespoons of cornflakes, some all-purpose flour or maida, and some corn flour. I have taken here 4 tablespoons of corn flour and 4 tablespoons of maida. Then I have taken 1 egg, and I have some ginger garlic paste around half teaspoon, and then again I have some water. Now add salt as per your taste into the egg and mix it very well. As I don't have cornflakes crumbs at my home, so I have taken the normal cornflakes. So now I will start making cornflakes crumbs with the help of my hand, like this. after making cornflakes crumbs, I will add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida and 4 tablespoons of corn flour, and all together I will mix all the ingredients very well. I mean the cornflakes crumbs, the all-purpose flour and the cornflakes. All the ingredients needs to be mixed very well. Then I will add some peri peri masala into the mixture, and if you don't have peri peri masala at your home, you can also use mixed herbs or oregano, and if you don't have anything, then you can skip this. Now I will start the process of coating the chicken. See, I have taken one piece of chicken. Then I will put the chicken piece into this cornflakes and corn flour and all-purpose flour mixture, and I will coat it very well. All the sides of the chicken needs to be well coated. Now I will put the coated chicken piece into water. After 2 to 3 seconds into the water, again I will coat it into this cornflakes, all-purpose flour and corn flour mixture. After the second coat, now I am putting the chicken piece into the beaten egg. Then again I will put it into the cornflakes, corn flour and all-purpose flour mixture for the third time coat. So that means all the chicken pieces needs to be coated 3 times. See, my one chicken piece is now ready to fry. Now I will follow the same way to coat all the rest of the chicken pieces. Same process needs to be followed for all the chicken pieces. See, my all the chicken pieces are ready to be fried. For frying the chicken, I have taken one frying pan and 4 to 5 tablespoons of refined oil into it. And when the oil is well heated, then I will start frying the chickens. When the one side of the chicken will be well fried, then I need to fry the another side of the chicken. Both the sides of the chicken needs to be very well fried. When the color of the chicken will be golden brown, that means the chickens are well fried from both the sides, and then we can take it out from the oil. My KFC style crispy fried chicken is now ready. And the chicken is perfectly cooked. Now, if you have cravings for crispy fried chicken, then you don't need to go outside of your home. You can easily make it at your home with very few ingredients. I hope you all liked the video. Please don't forget to like, comment and share the video with your family and friends, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more such recipes like this. And if you have any special request regarding any special recipe, then please let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely try to bring the requested recipe in front of you as soon as possible. We'll be back very soon with a new recipe. Till then, bye.